where it gets fun. So remember we did a biweekly budget. We have the paycheck number 1 and the paycheck number 2 method. When you are paid weekly, we have the paycheck number 1 through 4 method. So this is going to be paycheck number 1. This is going to be paycheck number 2. This is going to be paycheck number 3. And then this is going to be paycheck number 4. Okay, so that is our paycheck method that we do. So remember, we had 2 paychecks. This is the week we get paid. This is the week we don't get paid. This is the week when we do get paid. This is the week we don't get paid. Then this is the week we do get paid, which falls to be our first paycheck for the next month, right? So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go fill in our dates, and then we're going to go ahead and fill in each week. Maneuver between 4 paychecks. So we have a rule when we are paid weekly instead of bi-weekly is we want to make sure that we have a 4-way split between each bills. Okay, so when we're setting up our weekly budget, we have 4 different paychecks now. So we have the payday of, we're going to go ahead and write down the payday of 10/3. This is our first paycheck of the month. Our next payday is of 10/10. So payday of 10/24. So those are all of our paydays. The 31st payday, we're not going to include this right now. We're just going to do the 4 weeks. So what we're going to go ahead and do is divide our bills into 4, but we're going to break them down by each week. So instead of having $17.50 every 2 weeks, we have $8.75 every week. So our income for this week is going to be $8.75. So remember in our biweekly budget, we had to cover ourselves for the span of 2 weeks. We're going to divide this, okay? So we were spending $80 on groceries every 2 weeks, so it's going to be $40 each week. Same thing with gas, $50 every 2 weeks, but we're going to do $25 per week. But before we get there, let's focus on our bills because bills are the tricky part for the weekly budgets.